completely betrayed. There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning.
5 weight loss drinks that can speed up your weight loss journey. Herbal concoctions that may help you drop kilos faster. Losing weight will not be a difficult task if you plan your journey carefully. A well-planned meal and an appropriate workout can work wonders in assisting you in reaching your weight loss goals. All you need to do is be patient and focused. However, if you want to accelerate your weight loss and burn fat faster, there are several foods in your pantry that may help. Herbs, spices, and citric foods are high in anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, and incorporating them into your diet has numerous health benefits. It has the potential to reduce the damage caused by free radicals associated with obesity. It can also improve the function of the internal organs and lower the risk of developing chronic diseases. Here are 5 herbal concoctions that may aid in weight loss. 1. Water with cumin or jeera. Cumin, also known as jeera, is a common spice found in every Indian kitchen. This spice's earthy flavor enhances the flavor of the dish, and the healthy compounds it contains can help you lose weight faster. This low-calorie spice has anti-inflammatory properties and aids in the reduction of obesity. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds has only 7 calories. As a result, you can easily incorporate it into your daily diet without having to worry about your daily calorie intake. Cumin seeds are also high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamins A, C, and copper, as well as manganese. How to get it? Overnight soak a teaspoon of cumin in a cup of water. In the morning, add a pinch of ground cinnamon and boil the water for 5 minutes. Drink the water after straining it. 2. ACV is an abbreviation for apple cider vinegar. For centuries, fermented apple juice has been used in the culinary and medicinal worlds. Drinking apple cider vinegar, ACV, every morning can help cure diseases such as type 2 diabetes, eczema, and even high cholesterol. Several studies suggest that ACV may aid in the burning of belly fat when dieting. The acetic acid in vinegar may reduce fat storage, suppress appetite, slow digestion, and boost fat burning. How to get it? Mix a teaspoon of ACV into a glass of warm water and drink it. ACV can also be combined with honey. 3. Nigella seeds or kalonji seeds. Kalonji is high in nutrients such as vitamin A, C, K, iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Aside from that, these contain active compounds known as phytochemicals, which can aid in weight loss. The active phytochemical accelerates weight loss by altering the expression of genes involved in appetite control and fat loss. Kalonji water can also help to alleviate the symptoms of chronic diseases such as diabetes and arthritis. How to get it? Take a pinch of kalonji seeds and finely grind them to make a powder. Drink a glass of warm water with kalonji powder on an empty stomach. 4. Water with lemon and black salt. A glass of warm lemon water with a pinch of black salt can help you lose belly fat. Lemon water, which is high in vitamin C, low in calories, and high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, can help promote fullness, keep you hydrated, boost metabolism, and help you lose weight. While the black salt can help with bowel movements and digestion. Acidity, skin diseases, osteoporosis, and arthritis can all be alleviated by drinking lemon water with black salt. How to get it? Pour 2 tablespoons lemon juice and a pinch of black salt into a glass of water. Drink it after thoroughly mixing it. 5. Water with amla and jeera. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is high in vitamin C, B5, B6, copper, manganese, and potassium. These nutrients help to increase metabolism and burn more calories in less time. It can help lower cholesterol levels in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases. How to get it? In a glass of warm water, combine half a cup of amla juice and some roasted cumin powder. Drink the concoction after thoroughly mixing it. Thanks a lot.